12, 13, 24. Here's the Liftgator and all the guts and how it works. So it looks like you have a cable that's like physically connected here and same as the other side. So literally one cable going down, going through pulleys over there, up and over. So it's attached there again. So you got one pulley there, another pulley there, another pulley here. So this is your fourth pulley over here. And then that's 4, 5. And then, so maybe 5. And then it goes through the main motor, 6. So when you go up and down, this is what it looks like. It goes up. And then down. Uh-oh. One side's lopsided. Oh, came out. Interesting.